Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Susan. I hope you all had a great day. I will be demonstrating to you how to use a brown sugar vitamin C scrub to achieve instant, soft, youthful hands. This hand scrub is suitable for people with extremely dry hands, people with rough dry hands, people with wrinkled dry hands, and people with dry hands due to constant hand washing. Aqueous cream enables the skin retain moisture and minimize dryness. Jojoba oil is an excellent emollient which helps in alleviating symptoms of skin dryness. Soak your hands in the warm solution for 15 to 20 minutes to enable the products work effectively. Brown sugar is a natural humectant which aids in skin moisture retention. It is also a great exfoliator which gives the skin a shining, healthy glow. Glycerin and rose water is a toning and moisturizing product known for skin softening and moisturization. Coconut oil has antibacterial and moisturizing properties that help heal cracked, dry skin. It also contains vitamin E, which makes the skin smooth. Olive oil helps in preventing premature aging of the skin because it is an antioxidant. Vitamin C anti-aging serum with hyaluronic acid is used to promote and stimulate a brighter and more youthful complexion. Lavender essential oil is used to soothe dry skin. it has antifungal properties as well and produces a relaxing atmosphere due to its aroma. Wash your hands after scrubbing with a gentle moisturizing soap such as Dove. Then use a moisturizing hand cream of your choice.